So I haven't rehearsed this, but I want to show how easy or potentially easy it can be to get started with embedding. I've previously just published a Superstore workbook to cloud, and this is the window that pops up once it's published. If you go, you can either do it here, but I'll open a workbook just in case you want to share something that you have previously published. Right here you have the share button again, and okay, so once you have this window open, you've got a link here that you can share, and that will link directly back to the URL, and we'll look at using that after as well. But here's just the easy way: copy embed code. Then I will switch over to any code editor you like to use. This one is Anti-Gravity, which I'm trying out, and I paste that, give it a save, and go to my Explorer. Okay, so if I open this up, that's going to pop up. I'm going to open that, and it will load. So there is our embedded view. We can check against the original and see it here, and play around with the filters. Next, we're going to see how we can customize this and make it a little nicer. All right, back to anti-gravity. We're going to say, make this sharp. All right, make this embedded workbook look sharp. Add a filter element to filter the regions of the Superstore workbook. Use Tailwind for styling. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, that was real time. Getting changes that were added, but I just like to see them. So switch back over to the browser and refresh on that. And there we have it. Let's see if this is tied in. Yep, we can hit Central, East, South, clear the filter. Clear filter did not work, but it did go back to all regions, but it didn't apply. So we can work with that. But yeah, pretty easy. Take the embed code and add it directly to an HTML file. And then if you have cursor or Claude Code or anti-gravity, then just throw some prompts in there and see what you make of it. Hope this helps get you started on embedding, or at least playing around with embedded workbooks. Once you have that down, it's just, you can customize so much more about your layout, your like use of space, getting rid of some of the elements, making other elements nicer looking, cleaner looking, and so it's great. Thanks for watching.